We're getting certainly mixed reports from all sleet in parts of York and Adams, Lancaster counties, parts of Franklin counties, to all snow, northern tier, and then in between we are getting off and on. Sometimes it's sleeting, the other times the snow is mixing with sleet, and then it's transitioning back to snow. So we're going to have additional snow accumulation as we go throughout this afternoon and into this evening. And we've been talking about, when the storm's arriving, when we're seeing the intensity of it. But let's talk more about when this storm now is going to begin to wrap up. That is just as important here as far as preparation. We're going to spend a lot of time cleaning. We look at the big picture, and we now see that storm lifting out of North Carolina and southern Virginia. We've got this one sort of elongated stretch of moisture that's lifting northward too. Even though it does look like rain for us, it is going to be snow or sleet. I would say as we get closer to the 8, 9, 10 p.m. hours, that's when we'll start to see that begin to taper off. Now, it's not going to be completely over. There'll be a leftover snow or sleet shower, but when we're talking the meat and potatoes of the storm, that's when we see it wrapping up closer to 8, 9, 10 o'clock this evening, which, by the way, we're going to be on throughout our channel. If you want to join in at 5 o'clock, we'll be on going all the way until 6:30. And then we're back on 11 o'clock tonight for an hour, all the way till midnight, just talking about the conditions across the area and some of the cleanup crews too. So additional snowfall, I would say anywhere from really none, if those of us are seeing sleet, up to about 3-4 inches of snow. That's certainly possible. Where it's all snow, they could be seeing yet an additional 5 inches of snow on top of it. Taking you into our sleet, we've got sleet reports coming in. We could be seeing sleet packing up. By the way, that sleet's heavier. It's ice pellets. That will compact that snow over time as we go throughout this afternoon and this evening. I was checking out some of our cameras, and we are seeing, I just checked Lancaster, all sleet. We go up to Mifflintown, all snow. So we have that happening, and we really anticipated that sleet to be mixing north, and that's why we kept focusing on those lower amounts, 8, 9, 10 inches of snow, primarily going to be in areas that do see sleet. Now, some of us into York and Lancaster, Adams, we may not even get to that 8 inch if it's compacting that snow and kind of shrinking it.